hope you'll join me today as we browse and shop for those high-end dupes, those beautiful curated pieces that cost a fraction of the designer brands. Hello to you all. Welcome back to the Dauer Diaries. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer. Cory and I are so very happy you've joined us here today on our channel. Now, no matter where I shop, I am always on the hunt for those bargain prices of designer look for less, and today I want to showcase some beautiful finds that I found recently out at the stores. I don't want to duplicate a lot of the viral items that are going around right now on social media, so I hope I'm going to be sharing some beautiful things that you haven't seen before. If you love this type of content and you love home decorating, antique, vintage, and thrift shopping, we also do some DIY high-end looks for less, then you're in the right place. So please consider subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you. And just to let you all know, this video is not sponsored. I'm not working with any particular brand or anything. The items that I'm going to be showcasing today are just things that I find beautiful, that I think are worthy of purchasing for the price, that they're wonderful dupes for the higher end looks. And so I just want you all to know that this is not sponsored and I'm not promoting any particular brand. The first item I want to share with you all is something that lends itself very much to the Nancy Meyers trend. I know that's something that has been very, very popular the last few years, and for good reason. It's a beautiful style, but here's the thing. Nancy Meyers trend is not a trend at all. It's actually a traditional style that has been around forever. It's really about a curated space, things that you've collected over time to make your home feel and look gathered and cozy. And I, for one, love that people are embracing it. So this first item I want to share is a blue and white lamp that I think fits really well with that Nancy Meyers look and style, and they're just so beautiful, and they are a wonderful dupe for some much higher end and more expensive designer brands out there, like this Ralph Lauren lamp that's priced at $1,299. Ouch, I couldn't afford that. I don't know about the rest of you. And that's just for one lamp. The ones at the at-home store are priced at $139, and they really do have a very similar look. They also have the same pleated style shade. And honestly, lamps can set you back a pretty price. A lampshade alone can cost a lot. So I really do think that if you're trying to achieve that very traditional look, these lamps would be perfect. And keeping with the blue and white, I also saw while we were at the at-home store these beautiful vases. There's two here. One is in the back. They're priced at $29.99. And honestly, if you're wanting to really bring in that beautiful blue and white look to your home and you don't want to invest in that lamp, I think that this would be a wonderful way to bring that look into your home. Also, while we were at Home Goods, I spotted these beautiful candlesticks, again with the blue and white pattern that is so very popular, and I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. They came in, I believe, 2 different sizes, and those also would just make a really beautiful addition to your home. Next is this basket I found while browsing the McGee & Co. website. I thought it was absolutely a beautiful basket. It has a lovely silhouette, handles, and it's on the larger side, but it's priced regularly at $128. I believe it's currently on sale for $95.99, but I found an almost exact dupe on Amazon for $65. Now, I don't think you really can tell these baskets apart. They are the same exact dimensions, so I think the Amazon look for less is a much, much better deal. And I have a love for baskets. There are just a multitude of uses for them, and I think that this would be a lovely addition to any style home. While we were shopping at HomeGoods, I spotted another basket that was absolutely stunning. It's not a dupe for anything, but for its size and shape, it was priced so well. It was $24.99 and it was really, really large. I thought it was such a good buy, so I wanted to share it with you all. These next items are actually a dupe for something at Pottery Barn. These Pottery Barn Napa candle holders, they're hurricanes. I'm drawing a blank right now on their price, but I'll put it up here on the screen. The at-home store has something very similar. Now, the Pottery Barn actual candle holders, they come in 3 different finishes. They are metal. They have a bronze, a gold, and I believe a black. Now, these only come in this wood finish, but I think they're very similar to the bronze finish that Pottery Barn offers, and the difference in price is that the ones from the at-home store, the larger one is $24.99 and the smaller one is $19.99. And now the next item I want to share actually has kind of been circulating around social media, and it's these beautiful stems from Afloral. They are priced at $48 per stem. Very, very pricey. They're known as a smokeberry stem, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous, but you can find the exact same stem on Wayfair for $18.99 a stem. Now, they sell out really quickly, but they do tend to restock. The wonderful thing about Wayfair is that you can email them to notify you when they come back into stock so that you can pick them up. So if you find them beautiful like I do, definitely pick them up from Wayfair, fraction of the cost. I wanted to share some beautiful pillow covers. I found these on the McGee & Co website. They have a gorgeous scalloped detail to them, and I loved the green color, but they are priced at $114 a pillow cover. Now, we can do better than that. So I went on Amazon and I found something very similar. Now, they didn't have the green color on the Amazon brand, but they were $49 and I think 99 cents for 2 covers. And they have the same look. They do have some different colorways, and the stitching around on some of the other colors is in a contrasting color. But if you're looking for that green tone, on Wayfair, they have another really great option, and those are $36 per cover. And I thought that they were beautiful, and they had a multitude of selections for you in many different colorways. So if green isn't your color, maybe there's another option there for you. But I wanted to share those with you because I thought that they were a wonderful dupe for the McGee & Co high-priced pillow covers. These next items I want to share with you all might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I wanted to share them because I'm always on the hunt for items that have a little bit of a sculptural look to them, and I think adding in that type of decor can really elevate your look and your style. And I found this really sweet vase at the at-home store for $19.99. I loved the shape of it. It was just very unique, and it's very reminiscent of a CB2 vase that I saw recently, and it was priced, I want to say, around $99. So a $19.99 vase versus a $99 vase, you know, that's a no-brainer. Now, the one on CB2 was actually a darker, richer brown tone, but the at-home store, the white, that could easily be painted if white isn't your color. And I thought it was just a really, really good dupe, and I think it would just add something super special on a shelf or even standing alone somewhere. It would just look really, really lovely. Now, another piece that I saw while we were at the HomeGoods also had a very architectural shape to it. It's another vase, and it's priced, I want to say, at $49.99, a little bit higher, but it is very substantial in size. And again, I think it would just look so lovely as a sculptural piece sitting on a shelf somewhere or on a tabletop. It would look lovely with stems in it. I just think these types of pieces can really lend itself to an elevated look. This next item I want to share with you all, actually I found at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section, and it's a really good dupe for something I spotted on the website Luxe Co. Now, if some of you aren't familiar with the website Luxe Co, they are an online store that kind of specializes in unique finds. They usually don't have a whole lot of volume of particular items. Sometimes they may only have one, and so it's more of a curated website. And I saw this really sweet butter dish. It was priced at $32, and I thought it was just really, really lovely. Now, it is sold out. It is no longer available on their website. But while I was at Hobby Lobby browsing their clearance section, I found this very, very similar. It's got the same kind of shape to it, but I found it for $4.49. I am so thrilled. I think this has just got such a cute, sweet shape. This little knob on top for the handle, and it's just gorgeous. It's got a very, it's got like a very pottery look to it, with like little speckles in it. It's still all wrapped up. I haven't taken it out of its packaging, but I just thought it was so sweet. And again, $4.49. So when you're at the big box stores, always check their clearance section, because you just never know what you might find. Also though, be careful. Lots of times the clearance sections in a lot of the stores, they're broken items. So do inspect them really carefully to make sure that they aren't damaged in some way. But anyway, I thought this was a great buy. Heading back to the at-home store, while we were there browsing the aisles, I stumbled across a Pottery Barn look for less. Now, this Pottery Barn designer vase is priced at $179, and the vase at the at-home store, which has a almost identical look, is priced at $19.99. Now, the difference between the two is that the Pottery Barn vase is actually metal, whereas the one at the at-home store is ceramic. But they are so similar in look, and what a huge savings. Again, from $180 to $20, that's a huge savings. So you can get a very, very similar look for less. Now, I will have to say also, this very particular vase is something we did a DIY look for less on. So if you're curious on how to make this Pottery Barn look for less, I will leave the DIY video linked below for you all so that I can showcase how we made our own look for less. Another way to achieve a designer look is to take things you already own and upcycle them. We owned this sweet little stool that I found at Hobby Lobby a few years ago for $12. And while I was on Luxe Co, I saw this really beautiful stool for $588. I'm assuming it's vintage, that's why the price is so high. But I thought I could create our little stool to look very similar to that one. So I thought we would just give it a little makeover. So I had Cory put a very dark stain on it, and I think it turned out spectacular. It is so similar to the one on Luxe Co for a fraction of the cost, and I love adding this little stool all over our home. It just brings some charm to any little space that I put it in, and I just adore it. So again, you can do a lot of different things with things you already own and turn them into a designer look for less. I love sketch art, and sketch art has actually really been growing in popularity, especially in the landscape scenes. And I believe Joanna Gaines has one on her website, but the one I'm going to be showcasing is actually from McGee & Co, and it's priced at $629. I believe the sizing is 25 inch by 21 inch, so it's pretty decent size, nothing too large, but it's a good size. It is framed, but I found on Amazon some framed art, 26 inch by 26 inch, so it's square versus a rectangle, but it's very similar in size and look, for $69, and they have a ton to choose from. They had other art too that was a little bit more colorful that you could choose from, but I was particularly looking at the sketch art. I loved this one here in particular, and I think it has a very, very similar look to the McGee & Co art. at a fraction of the cost. And so again, just by looking and searching out something, you can really save yourself a ton of money and still get that designer look. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me here today. I can't tell you how much I have loved putting this video together for you all. It really gets me out there looking at items, especially the designer items. I mean, I'm amazed at how much those items can cost. And just with a little bit of digging or even some creativity, you can have those designer looks for much, much less. I hope you found some inspiration from today's video, and if you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button and share it with someone you know. We have some fun new videos headed your way. We have some new DIYs coming up. I also want to do some decorating and refreshing of our home here for the upcoming summer season. We also have a trip planned to head back to California to visit family and friends. And of course, we'll be doing some antique and vintage shopping while we're there. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and join our community. And if you do, don't forget to turn on that bell notification so that you'll know when we upload our videos. You have all become such an important part of our lives here at the Dauer Diaries, and we cannot thank you enough for spending your time with us and supporting us here. And we just want you to know how much we truly appreciate each and every one of you. We want to wish you an amazing week ahead, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.